When playing piano, we always want to curl up our hand into a ball like this. Hello, welcome to piano class. All pianos have 7 keys. One of them are C. C is always located between these two black keys to the very left. We start from C and count up to G, so it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then we loop back to C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and so on. You can also call these keys by Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, and Ti. Middle C is always located around the middle of the keyboard, right here. When playing piano, we always want to curl up our hand into a ball like this. This finger on our right hand, this finger is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and 5. In our left hand, it's in reverse. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and 5. Let's try practicing our fingers. Let's start from C. Let's try one more time. Now, let's try with our left hand. Now let's try both hands. Good luck with your classes, everyone.